Hi everyone, this is Dr. N Kapoor from Mind is in Charge, Not the Body. It's all about health awareness about everything but in my way, and it's absolutely free for all. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, WhatsApp, YouTube, and now on TikTok as well. Today, I wanted to tell you some health advantages of using baking soda. First of all, if there's anything bothering you, don't ignore it. Do get yourself checked out by your doctor, and your doctor is the only trained investigative person who can find out the reason of your botheration. He can investigate, give you a diagnosis, and support you with the appropriate treatment. Now, along with that, you can try using baking soda, and it'll help you feel better in a lot of ways. For example, it can be used as an antacid. Baking soda is an excellent product which helps in lowering your stomach acid. All you need to do is combine 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda with warm water and drink it, and it might just fix your acidity. Baking soda can be used as an acne mask. Well, after cleaning your face, mix baking soda with a little bit of warm water, make it a thick batter, and then apply it on acne-prone skin, leave it for 5 to 10 minutes, and then rinse. And then it might just control your acne. It can also be used as a natural mouthwash. Well, mix 1 teaspoon of baking soda in about 100 ml of water, stir well, blend it, and then use it as a mouthwash, and it can even get rid of your bad breath. It's an excellent product for exfoliating your skin. Baking soda, what it does is it basically lifts up dead skin cells from your face or from your body. Use it once a week and it encourages the regeneration of new skin. Now, if you have a sunburn and your skin is really painful and it's itchy, then try using baking soda, and then it will have a very cooling effect on your skin. Especially if you have insect bites, then and your skin is really itchy, use baking soda and water, rub it on that area of the skin, and your itch will go away. There are so many other uses of baking soda. Well, clean your bathroom tubs and your sinks with baking soda. Well, it absorbs radiation. It alkalizes the body, and it can be used as an excellent hand and feet softener. You can even remove your splinters from baking soda. Now, it's entirely up to you. Want to try baking soda? Use baking soda to help you feel better. Think about it. Goodbye. Good luck.